On Valentine's Day, was just walking up to my apartment and see Rosie with 6 babies. I wish I could have helped way more before she had them. It was probably like 90 degrees outside, and I felt so bad. I was like, she needs more food. She's like kind of small, but my neighbor below me, she wouldn't leave his doorstep. So I just figured that it was their cat, and I didn't know what to do. I knock on the door and I was like, I'll take them in. He said it was a stray he was feeding. So a minute later, I have them in a laundry basket. At first, she was like nervous. Like I couldn't really touch her. I just wanted to let her be. And so overnight, she stayed outside on this like back porch. The next day, we brought her inside and the babies. We'll eat the fishy. And that's when she kind of like came around. And she was just looking around and started being lovey. I just kept telling her she's safe. And she looked so happy and grateful. And she's very loving and just has the most patience for her babies. They have a lot of personality, about the 6 of them. And what shocked me a lot is my girl kittens are actually more loving. They see me and they just start meowing. Hello. And then my boys, they're just wild. They're over half her size now. Soon you're not even going to be able to tell that she's the mom. It makes me so happy that I was able to give her a safe place to raise her babies. They're all just like bonded together, which I love. It's like kind of crazy how they just changed my life.